Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve stuck on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Snapchat and you click here in this page. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store and you can search about Snapchat app. You can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.